How to translate web page on iPhone Chrome. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to translate web page on iPhone Chrome. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your iPhone and make a search. Now, in order to translate your web page, tap on the three dots you see on the bottom right of your screen. In the pop-up window that appears, scroll down and you will see the Translate option. Tap on that, and as you can see, the web page is translated. Make sure that you have Google Translate installed on your device for the translation to work. If not, you can go ahead and install Google Translate on your device. Now, you can also tap on the settings option in the pop-up window on top of your screen and select the language of your choice for translation. So, this is how you can translate web page on iPhone Google Chrome. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.